How to pass a speed bump safely. Driving too fast over a speed bump can damage your suspension or scrape the car's bottom. When you see a speed bump sign, slow down. Approach the bump at a slight angle, not straight on. Let your right wheel climb the bump first. Move slowly and keep the angle steady. When your rear right wheel reaches the bump, stop for a moment if needed. Now both right wheels are on top, your car stays balanced and safe from scratches. Roll over gently until all 4 tires clear the bump. Once you're past it, straighten the steering wheel and speed up slowly. If you're driving a truck or heavy vehicle, reduce speed even more and shift to first gear before crossing.